Hey guys, Jamil here from AutoIndustriya.com, and today we're gonna be taking a short break from our usual car reviews and features, but we're gonna be taking a look at something that's gonna be very helpful for car guys and for those who like to do DIY stuff with their cars, their bikes, and even do some home improvement ideas. We're gonna be taking a look at the Wadfow P20 series cordless impact wrench. It's time for unboxing. Now, for those who are unfamiliar with Wadfo, it's a global brand that offers a wide range of tools for both professional and personal use with great value for money. They both have a digital platform and physical stores at over 78 locations nationwide, where customers can conveniently access authentic Wadfo products, which are all backed by the trusted customer support and after-sales service. So when the package arrives at your doorstep, the Wadfow impact wrench is gonna come in this nice box, which is made out of very durable plastic. So let's open the contents of this one, and let's get to the accessories bit first. First of all, the instruction manual. You have it right here to get you started. Then we also have the 220 volt charger to charge the two lithium-ion batteries. The two lithium-ion batteries are rated at 20 volts and they have a 4 amp hour rating. So it's gonna provide plenty of time for you to use the cordless impact wrench whenever you're doing your DIY stuff for your cars or your homes. Now the rest, we also have coming in with the package is a 22 and a 24 millimeter socket. So it's gonna get you started whenever you're gonna do your fastening or your tightening for your DIY activities. And then of course we have the main event. We have the cordless impact wrench itself. Now it's really robust. It has a rubberized grip, so ergonomically it's really good for the application that you're gonna have with the Wadfow impact wrench. And you can see the bulkhead itself is also very big. This one also comes with a 330 Newton meter of torque. That one is a smaller item. The other one is a 480 Newton meters. This one has a maximum fastening torque of 780 Newton meters. So this is the top of the line in their range. So when you connect this one, it has a square shafting that has a half drive, 1/2 inch drive. So this is gonna be very, it's gonna be very applicable to most socket set applications. And when connect this battery, it's also lithium ion, so you're guaranteed to have a long usage life for this particular impact wrench. So when we assemble the Wadfow impact wrench, it's gonna look like this. Now the Wadfow impact wrench also has 3 modes whenever you're gonna do your fastening. So it has the high, medium, and low mode. So depending on your applications, so whenever you're just doing basic tightening for example, for your lug nuts, I think with 780 Newton meters of torque with this cordless impact wrench, it's gonna be, I think you're better off with just the medium or the low setting for this impact wrench, because the high, it's basically, you're gonna use it for, your suspension bits, anything that requires heavy duty fastening. That's when you're gonna use the high mode. So even for use in heavy equipment, because it's rated for heavy duty use, it's gonna be very practical for you. And even for construction, for structural bolting, this one is gonna come very handy. So yeah, this is going to be a very nice addition to your garage whenever you're doing DIY stuff for your cars and even your homes. And that about does it for our unboxing video of the Wadfow P20 series cordless impact wrench. In case you're wondering, this impact wrench costs 16,000 pesos, this entire set. But currently, they are giving away a 50% discount both online and in their physical stores nationwide. Now, until next time, this is Jamil of AutoIndustriya.com. Stay tuned. Please like and subscribe on our videos, as we are going to be taking a look at more tools and more equipments in the coming videos for all your DIY stuff. Thank you for watching.